Okay, 12 girls out and about and getting a river shot out of this one. Looks like the young 23 of Alexander Merritt gets the whole shot out there. Looks like Tyler Lee Thorley in the mix and Tamika Skidmore in there as well. Round we go as they pick it up there now. Into the first corner, they come out of this one. Nice work as they come through there. Oh, turn around. 4 go in and I'll tell you what, 1 comes out there all right there. The 23 of Alexander Merritt leads the charge there, followed by the 1 of Tyler Lee Thorley. Thorley gets in front of her, comes through the Merritt there. The 4A comes through there now. She's in there. Gets in there to make a Skidmore going up there in the 3. Round we go there, but I tell you what, looks like Thorley might have got through there. Merritt goes back to the 2 spot. Here they go as they come into the home corner. Round we go there now. Tyler Lee Thorley will take it over the line.
12 girls semi-final number 2. Round the first corner they go. Aslan Weber just got a nose in front. Bartrick on a back wheel there in second. In there for 3 we've got Jessica Lutwell, and I think that'll be Jessica Roach rounding out the top 4. Up into the second corner they blast now. Aslan Weber the one to catch. Got Bartrick in there for second. Weber for 3 and Roach for 4. The top 4 look pretty comfortable.